Hello and welcome. In this session we will explore constructor in C#. Constructor are just special method that initialize object when they are created. We will learn throughout this session what constructor are, the different type of constructor in C#12, which introduce new feature like primary constructor to simplify object initialization. So as we just mentioned, constructor, it's a special method that have the same name as the class and no return type. It's gonna automatically called when you create an object. So here in our previous example, we have a class, call it car. And as we can see, we can find here very special method with the exactly same name like class, no return data type, as you can see, and it's basically initialize the attributes of the class. And that one, it's called default constructor. It's basically take no parameter, as you can see, automatically provided by C# if no constructor is explicitly defined in the class.